sweet story. Yep. Absolutely.
It was foggy last night.
It was.
Or am I just in a fog?
No, I was scared when I went home. It was so foggy.
I know, it was unbelievable.
I didn't face that. I don't know what it is.
That's weird because our houses are all side by side.
I know. And I came over to get some eggs this morning, and
but it had all cleared out, right?
Yeah.
And, and yeah, I threw you a piece of bacon or something.
I got that. I got there before the dog.
The dog. It was meant for the dog, but all right. And hopefully you all got to see eventually the clearing skies today, because boy, it was sure foggy this morning. Even if you didn't see it last night, not only foggy, but more light drizzle, which is good. Keeps our fire danger very low if we've got moisture in the atmosphere, and we sure have over the next few days. Now, tomorrow we've got not only the drizzle in the morning hours, but we've got a chance for some mountain thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. We're taking a live look outside. It's almost Friday. That was LAX, which was pretty foggy this morning, but again, saw clearing this afternoon. It took a while to clear, but once it did, sure was a lovely day. Temperatures got close to normal. We had a high of 75. The normal high this time of year is 77. So taking a look at our current temperatures, again, a very comfortable evening, anywhere from 72 degrees in Van Nuys, 73 in Anaheim, still into the low 80s in Lancaster, upper 60s to low 70s along the coast. So again, just a very pleasant evening with clear skies. It won't stay clear for long. Take a look at the marine layer right off the coast, just dying to move right back in, and it will be a pretty foggy start to your morning tomorrow. So hazy skies in the afternoon hours, and the reason this hasn't changed over the last few days, we've got a trough of low pressure. This area of low pressure actually bringing wet weather over the Four Corners region, but we're just continuing to deal with a strong onshore flow, which brings in that deep marine layer this time of year. Right on the edge, though, is a ridge of high pressure, which will build in Saturday. So starting Sunday, Monday of next week, we'll shift to a different pattern, which means more sunshine than clouds and eventually some warmer temperatures. So let's take a look at that extended forecast, and we'll start with everyone's favorite day, Friday, where we'll have temperatures into the upper 60s at the beaches, mid 70s in the LA and OC metro areas, 86 inland down in the valleys, and then after that, those temperatures will just go right up because we'll see less of the marine layer. High pressure will move in. So again, more sunshine, and temperatures will eventually be into the 70s at the beaches and 90s inland. So enjoy the milder weather tomorrow. Paul and Pat, back to you.